Oh man, I really ran out of wood. I should order some more. With Legacy, how can I be of service? Hello, it's Chef. I ran out of wood. I would like to buy 5 tons, please. Like blanks or a whole tree? Logs with a length of 3 meters each. Okay, noted. Anything else? Yeah, I would like to do this with a letter of credit. I'm okay with that. Bye. Bye. Okay, now I've filled out this formula and send it to the bank. I should be able to do this. Oh, Chef wants a letter of credit. Let's see, okay. Okay, makes sense, check. Okay, let's look, he has enough money, okay. There should be no problem. Yes, I'm sending it to the Exporters Bank, perfect. Huh? Ah, the email finally arrived. Let's take a look. The letter of credit is fine and the bank seems serious. It's okay with me. Let's tell Billy. Oh, hey Billy, the letter of credit arrived and I approved it. I sent it over. Ah, it arrived. Okay. Yeah, looks good. Okay, thanks. Bye, see ya. Let's chop some trees. Trees are ready and my slaves, employees, we sent them over. Great. Now let's send the documents over to get the money. Documents, okay. They look fine, good. Must send him the money. Perfect. Oh, finally documents. There's some typos, but it's okay. Time to pay. Here comes the money, and here comes the documents. Oh God, finally, I've been waiting for ages. Now let's get the what? Oh. And the bank took my money for the invoice too. Perfect. Where is my wallet?